What's up, friends? It's Eric from Spirit, and today I want to talk to you about LavaBox. I wanted to talk about LavaBox so bad that I'm out here on a frigid January day in Colorado, just to show you how badass these portable campfires are. As you can see, they started making them out of ammo boxes, and they've upgraded and improved it to the Hekla, which is 2 burners, one for cooking, one for this glorious flame that you get here. The original has 1 burner, just basically for heat and to keep you warm. And man, do they really put off some heat. Now on one side, we got the original, the OG, great for heat, great for hanging out, drinking a beer at the campsite, staying warm on those cold nights. On the other side, we got the Hekla, which is the 2 burner. We got the stand that it sits on. Later in the video, I'll show you the cooktop you can cook your meals on. Now this does have 2 burners. So the one I have it on right now is the heat mode. Not great for cooking. Turn it off and then re-plug in the propane to the other input. That's cooking mode. And cooking mode is basically no flame, but a lot of heat. And you lay that skillet that I'll show you later on top of it, and you can cook your meals, burgers, steaks, breakfast, burritos, whatever you want. Now, LavaBox is the original portable campfire made out of an ammo box. There are others out there on the market, but LavaBox still does it best. Both of these options have holes on the side for airflow and ventilation. Now the original one didn't have holes on the side because it was made for rafting. And you don't want holes in your ammo box or your portable campfire when you're on the water rafting, right? Because that thing will fill up with water and then you'll never get it started. Let's take a closer look at some of the details. So here we have the OG. Single inlet, single burner, air vent holes on the side, disperses the heat really nicely. I've got this one on pretty low because I didn't want a huge flame right now, but it still puts off a ton of heat. Not great for cooking, puts off a little bit of soot, as any campfire would, but you could probably do marshmallows, weenies, or dogs, sausages on a stick, you know, real old school kind of cooking over a fire. If you want to cook a real meal, steaks, potatoes, breakfast burritos, stuff like that, you're probably going to want to check out the cooking combo with the Hekla. Now the original LavaBox with a single burner can put out up to 280,000 BTUs depending on how you adjust the propane. If you crank that thing all the way up, you'll get around 280,000 BTUs. If you keep it in the middle, you might get somewhere around 180,000 BTUs. Regardless, that's a ton of heat. And it's 19 degrees out here in Colorado, and I am very toasty. Granted, I have 2 of them going, so I'm extra toasty, but still, both of these units will put up to about 280,000 BTUs. And here we have the cooking combo with the stand and the Hekla. Now this is the 2 burner, like I was telling you about. So right here you can see it's on the flame mode, which is the far right, or the back one that you can see right now. The flame mode, or the campfire mode, non-cooking mode, puts out a really good flame, just like the OG. For the other one, exactly the same. Great for campfires, could be some s'mores, could be some weenies. But if you want to switch to cooking mode, you just simply turn off your gas, unscrew it, screw it back into the other side, the cooking side, which won't put out a big flame like this. Turn off your gas. You're gonna come down here, you're gonna unscrew the one side. Now it does get a little hot, so watch your fingers on this. And then you're gonna undo the cap on the other side for the cooking side. You're gonna switch it over to the side you just got off of. Thread that in there. Thread this onto the cooking side. Nice and tight. Turn your gas back on. Grab your lighter. And what you can see, I don't know if you can hear that, put the mic kind of close, but this is on right now. This doesn't have that flame like it does on the other side, it just puts off pure heat for cooking. The original ammo can portable campfire, a local Colorado company. We love that here at Spirit. We're all about promoting Colorado companies, as we are a Colorado company. Another notable thing is that if you live in a state that has constant or frequent fire bans throughout the summer, LavaBox is perfect for you because it meets the requirements of stage 2 fire bans in all of US states. So if there is a stage 2 fire ban in your state in the summer and you can't have a campfire, the LavaBox portable campfire will work for you. Because we all know it sucks to go out camping and you see that big sign on your way in that says, hey, fire danger, stage 2 fire ban, no campfires. Well, LavaBox has got you covered. It ain't camping without a campfire. And it also ain't camping without cooking over a campfire. That's where the LavaBox campfire kitchen comes into play. Now it comes with everything that you see here, the stand, the 2-burner, Hekla, LavaBox, and the skillet that I'll show you, because I'm gonna be cooking myself up a steak for lunch. So this is your skillet. This comes with the cooking combo, and I'll show you how it works. Pretty simple. Just set it right on top. Now while that's heating up, I'll show you another cool thing that comes with the combo are these LavaBox, exclusive LavaBox welding gloves or cooking gloves. Now it comes with these because that skillet gets scorching hot. So when you're done cooking and you want to move it off, you're gonna need some kind of gloves. So LavaBox thinks of it all. They give you the gloves. Pretty rad. Got some butter. It's a beautiful day to be out here. Why would you want to cook in your house when you can just take your LavaBox out to a, well, I'm in a trailhead parking lot, so not that glamorous, but hey, still outside. Big slab of butter. Doesn't get any better than that. Steak. Got a fresh Lowry's. If you don't put Lowry's on your steak, I don't know if we can be friends. I'm just kidding. We can still be friends. Make sure you get the edges. This has gone from a LavaBox product review to a outdoor kitchen camping tutorial. Get yourself tons of seasoning. And just like that. Oh, baby. It doesn't get much better. Cooking up a steak, having a beer. There's some other competitors out there, but none of them do it like LavaBox does it. They have a bunch of accessories like this that make it easy for you to get out there, even on a day like today where it just sounded nice to come out and cook a steak. The sun is shining, the beer is cold, and that's all there is to it. Like and subscribe our channel, Spirit of 1876. We're located in Castle Rock, Colorado. We got hoodies for sale, new hoodies for sale as well. We got hats for sale, old hats, new hats, all the swag, however you want to pronounce it. Head over to our website to check out this product, that product, this chair, and many, many other awesome, amazing overland camping, adventuring, fishing gear that you may need to live your life to the fullest, to do the things you love. Get outside, smile. Let us know in the comments what product you want to see more information about next. Hope you have a good rest of your day. From us at Spirit of 1876 to you, cheers. Now I'm gonna eat this steak and drink this beer and enjoy the afternoon. It's a little hot. Don't touch that. Tech tip, don't touch that little bolt cover after you've been using it for a while. Pretty toasty.